everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add HDRs cap on Snapseed apps. Let's get started. First, open your Snapseed apps and click anywhere for import your photo. And in here, I want to add photo, this one. And then if you want to add HDRs cap on Snapseed, you just click on the tools at the bottom. This one. Sorry. This one, you just click on the tools at the bottom. And then in here, you can see HDRs caps, this one. So you just click on it. And then you can set the HDRs cap. Maybe this one for nature, for the people, for the fine, and for the strong. But in here, I want, because this is a nature, so I choose a nature, this one. And then now you can set the HDRs cap. You just click on it in here. You can set for the strange, just swipe left or right like this and scroll for the set brightness, and scroll down for the set saturation. Just swipe left or right like this. And after this, you can click check icon in here and finish. So that how to add HDRs cap on Snapseed apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.